ISDP careers. 6 high-paying jobs recommended for the ISDP personality type. ISTPs are introverted sensors who value autonomy, clear structure and variety of tasks from their work environment. ISTPs tend to be found in skilled trades and technical fields and also law enforcement and military professions. According to a national sample, ISTPs comprise about 5.4% of the total population. They make up 8.5% of the male population and 2.3% of the female population. ISTPs like to work with their hands and are known for their skill and craftsmanship. Here are 6 high-paying careers that are recommended for the ISTP personality type. Number 6. Emergency Management Directors. Median salary, $72,760. Emergency management directors think before tragedy strikes. They are the ones in charge of measuring potential risks, design plans to face them, and lead the efforts if the worst-case scenarios were to happen. It's part of their duty to visualize potential dangers and outcomes, and prepare the population, trained or not, on the right way to avoid such situations. As such, they work alongside government agencies, nonprofits, private companies, and the general public to set these plans into motion and minimize all risks. Emergency manager directors must have a bachelor's degree in an associated area, as well as several years of experience in emergency response or disaster planning. ISTPs are natural-born problem solvers. They enjoy careers where there is always a problem that needs immediate attention and requires critical thinking. If it's a hands-on approach, all the better. A career in emergency management gives ISTPs the chance to exercise their troubleshooting muscles and do what they excel at, thinking under pressure. This personality type will enjoy feeling useful, not to mention they enjoy the physical aspect of the task, and the freedom to think of creative solutions. Number 5. Computer Programmers. Median salary, $82,240. Computer programmers turn designs and ideas into reality. Through their expertise, they write, review, test, and complete the codes that make different software and applications work. If there is a mistake or a malfunction, they detect the problem and solve it through a modification of the core code. To achieve this goal, computer programmers require extensive knowledge on a few programming languages, such as C++ or Python. Generally, they have a bachelor's degree in computer science and experience within the field. Due to its problem-solving nature, computer programming is a field that attracts ISTPs naturally, particularly the ones that are not too fond of physically strenuous activities. Through programming, ISTPs can explore their curiosity and create as many things as they want, through sheer creativity and interest. Programming is also an open field. There are few regulations, making it ideal for the ISTPs to create anything they want, at their own pace. Number 4. Computer Systems Analyst. Median salary, $88,270. Nowadays, all organizations rely on multiple computer systems to function properly, making it imperative to keep track of it and ensure its general well-being. It is for this reason that they hire a computer systems analyst. Also known as system architects, these professionals analyze the intricate technological network of an organization, detects potential problems, inefficacies, or security risks, and works actively to solve them. To achieve this goal, they must put their IT knowledge to the service of the particular business they work for through an understanding of the goals the company seeks to achieve. For the always curious ISTP, a work position that stimulates them to look at the risks and predict the unpredictable is nothing short of exciting. They love surprises, and enjoy trying to discover them even more. They like finding problems and fixing them, and love doing so at their own pace. While the rigid structure of an organization doesn't merge well with the ISTP's free spirit, as computer systems analysts they enjoy a certain degree of freedom to exercise their creative solutions and problem-solving theories. Number 3. Electrical and Electronics Engineer. Median salary, $97,970. Masterminds behind the creation of electrical equipment, electrical engineers are responsible for designing, developing, creating, testing and modifying all sort of electrical devices, be it motors, communication systems, or other appliances. On the other hand, electronic engineers work with electronic devices and components, prevalent and needed in systems from every industry and aspect within society. As the creators of the devices and tools required for modern life, these engineers use their hands and minds to bring to life components and elements that will improve society as a whole. They must have a bachelor's degree in engineering, as well as acquire experience within the field. The result is an annual pay that averages $97,970 within the US. Few careers are as perfect for ISTPs as these brands of engineering. They allow for the perfect mixture of deep thinking and a hands-on approach. The design and construction of complex systems and components is a challenge that requires high analytical skills and creativity, something that defines ISTPs. Likewise, they get the physical satisfaction of seeing the tangible results of their hard work, something that always motivates them. Number 2. Aerospace Engineer. Median average, $113,030. Air and space is the last frontier and exploring it is the future. One of the many professionals in charge of handling this heavy duty is the aerospace engineer, designer, builder and reviewer of the aircraft and spacecraft that will lead the efforts towards the skies. Aerospace engineers have a bachelor's degree in any engineering field, preferably aerospace. Likewise, they require practical experience before embarking on big projects, and if they are related to national security issues, they might need a security clearance within the United States. Exploring the unexplored is an ISTP's greatest ambition. Discovering new things and thinking of the potential ramifications is rewarding. As such, they are naturally attracted to engineering fields that allow that particular brand of innovative thought. Getting to design and build aircraft and spacecraft from scratch, discovering potential malfunctions, and solving the issues to achieve a perfect execution is the greatest motivation they might have. The mixture of logical thinking with creative expression and freedom of thought is irresistible for ISTPs, as is the paycheck. Number 1. Computer Hardware Engineers. Median salary, $115,120. The modern world cannot function without computers or their components, all of them designed and brought to life by computer hardware engineers. These engineering professionals have the task of imagining, designing, creating and testing new hardware. Once finished, they have to evaluate and review the results to ensure perfect functioning before commercialization. To achieve this, they need to make sure the hardware is compatible with available software, thus requiring frequent cooperation with software developers. High demand for hardware engineers has turned this career into a profitable option for those interested in the field. US-based computer hardware engineers gain a median salary of $115,120. Computer hardware engineers require a plethora of skills beyond their bachelor's degree. Especially, they need problem-solving and analytical skills, to allow them to identify and solve complex predicaments during the development of computer hardware, the field of expertise of ISTPs. ISTPs enjoy being part of the future, imagining a new outcome and using their hands and abilities to make them a reality. And as computer hardware engineers, they get to do that and more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to stay posted. Till next time.